Hi friends, today I'm going to tell you about the new BioHermes HbA1c Express check device, which is a 100% automatic device to check HbA1c. This is the device which you can see in front of you. The first step is to place the chip, which I'm just going to show you. This is the chip which comes in the box. The number is written here. All you need to do is place this chip here, and switch on the device.
Please take off the sealed cap on buffer kit before
After
test.
that, when you get this
Please
message,
confirm the code
you
chip
have to
number
take
is
out
correct.
this orange cover
Please insert the test strip.
and place this back like this and close this. Once you close this, it will ask you to confirm the chip number, which is 461. You have to press OK. Once you press OK, it is asking to put the strip. So again you open this black flap and place the chip with the arrow facing towards the machine like this. Once you place this,
Please prepare the blood
it will
sample.
ask you to prepare for
Then
the blood
press
sample.
OK key and wait.
Now we will prepare for the blood sample. You should have the lancing machine. You take the lancing machine, pull the device and take out the blood, the capillary blood. Once the blood sample is ready, press OK. And minimum blood level required is 3 ml. A 10-second reverse cycle will start like this. And once this 10-second cycle is over, you have to
Please apply
place
the blood sample.
once you place the blood sample, you will get 3 beep sounds. The blood has been applied here, and a reverse cycle will start for 130 seconds. See, now we will wait for 130 seconds. Meanwhile, you should take out, for every patient, you should take out the needle and throw this to avoid any kind of infection. The box of the consumable is this, with the strips, with the samplers, with the buffer solution, and with the chip. And this is the strip. So now after 130 seconds, the buffer, you heard a sound, the buffer solution is getting mixed with the blood automatically, and you can see the blood is slowly shifting back to this level. There will be another 130-second cycle after the solution has been added, and then we will get the result. So you can see no manual solution is to be added to the blood like other devices. It is checked automatically. So the 130-second cycle has started. For your information, the buffer solution is placed in this, and this is the buffer solution cartridge separately. You can see once 25 kits have been used on a buffer solution, it will ask you to automatically change the buffer solution cartridge. In the next video, I will teach you how to change the cartridge for the buffer solution. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the 90-second timer again, 85 and so on. So we are almost about to finish the test, and after this gets over, we will get to see the result of HbA1c without any intervention, manual intervention to add the buffer solution or any other thing. So here we go.
The result is 5.6%.
So now you heard the result. It says, speaks out also, and there's this display. The result in this case is 5.6%, which is a normal
Please remove the test strip.
result. I hope we've been able to tell you about the usage of this device, and as everybody knows, any result before less than 6.5 to 7% is normal, and any score above 7 is treated to be abnormal, and you should consult your doctor. Thank you very much.